video, I'm going to be showing you how to use all of these products to help whiten your teeth and also get rid of unwanted tartar and plaque. So we're going to be using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide to actually help break down hardened tartar. So baking soda has its own abrasive nature, and then paired with hydrogen peroxide, it can help actually break down the tartar without hurting your teeth. I've had a lot of people ask if whitening products will help get rid of this, and whitening products are just bleach. It's not going to actually break down the tartar. So I wanted to create this how-to video to show you guys the new tartar tooth routine that I've been using the last couple of weeks and how amazing it is. So first, you want to use any type of toothpaste that you normally use. I use this brand. And then you want to go ahead and use some dental floss to actually help get rid of tartar and plaque already. Then you're going to go ahead and wet down your toothbrush to just pick up some of the baking soda on your toothbrush, and you're going to brush the back of your teeth, not too hard, but just kind of help the baking soda basically loosen and break down the tartar. And then you want to take some of this hydrogen peroxide. I wouldn't suggest just full on taking it just as it is. It can actually hurt your skin cells, especially since your mouth is very sensitive. So I recommend actually diluting it with a little bit of water and then swishing around your mouth to get rid of any baking soda that can kind of get down into your gums and kind of feels gritty in your mouth. So you want to use this to try to help get it out. And then using some sort of mouth rinse to help get rid of the rest of the product that's still in your mouth. So I've been doing this every single day in the morning. I actually saw immediate results. I actually had some tartar break off. So that's what this is just some shards of tartar that actually came from in between my teeth and near my gums. So then the next couple times I used it, I saw even better, phenomenal results because I had already loosened up some of the tartar. So here's another piece actually came off in the sink. And then I started to create these gaps in between my teeth because once the tartar was loosened and had been taken out, I then started to have these gaps in between my teeth next to the gum line. The other thing that I noticed is I started getting these black shards of tartar, and it worried me because I thought that black meant that it was probably a cavity, and that's not necessarily the case. There is such a thing as black tartar where it's just come into contact with blood at one point in time, so it's, flossing and then having your gums bleed. But as you can see, the end results, I had phenomenal results from just using baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. I definitely recommend using this method. Just be careful about how you use the baking soda. It is abrasive by nature. You don't want to just go in and just start scrubbing the back of your teeth. Use common sense, go slow, take your time. If you have any issues, stop using it immediately. But I do recommend just seeing the before and after results of using just straight baking soda and some hydrogen peroxide diluted with water, that this is great to actually help you break down the tartar and the plaque on the back of your teeth. So I hope this video helped you. Let me know down in the comment section what you think if you're going to try this little technique. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked this, and I'll make other videos similar to this to help you guys with your dental hygiene. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.